Hey guys, welcome to DezLogic. This is the second video of the tutorial series that I've created for you guys on Adobe Illustrator for iPad. If you haven't checked out the first video, please click on the link that is showing on your screen right now. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, in this video we will discuss the toolbars, panels, and some other options that are available in the workspace of the Adobe Illustrator for iPad. On the left side you have your toolbar. The first option is the selection tool. You can select your shapes and text using this option. The next one is the direct selection tool. You can edit your shapes and text using this option. The next one is the pen tool. You can draw with this tool. The next one has two options. The first one is the pencil tool and the second one is the blob brush tool. You can use them to draw any shape. And the next one is the erase tool. You can erase your artwork using this option. The next one is the shape tool. You are given four different type of shapes: the square, the circle, triangle, and the star. The next one is the type tool. The first option is the simple type tool, and the next one is type in vertical. The next one is the artboard option. You can use the presets that are available. The next one is the import option. If you want to import images from any of these locations, you can use this option. And if you want to capture a real-time image, you can use the camera option. You can capture the image and it will be imported to your project right away. The next one is the fill color. You can change the fill color of your shape or text. You can also add gradient. The next one is the stroke color. You can change the stroke color using this option. There are two arrows. You can swipe between stroke color and fill color using this. There is a circle on the workspace that you can see. If you tap on it, it will act like the shift key on your keyboard. If you tap and drag it a little bit, it will act like the alt and shift key in combination on your keyboard. It will act like that. Okay, on the right side you have your panels. The first option in the panel is the layer. You guys most probably familiar with that. You can arrange your artwork into layers. You can add layers and edit the current one. The next option is the properties. You can transform your shape or text using this option. The next one is the precision. You can use this option as a guideline to create your artwork. It will help you out in alignment and stuff. The next one is the combine shapes. You can combine, minus, intersect, and exclude, overlap. This functionality is similar to the Pathfinder in the desktop version. The next one is the edit. You can edit your shapes and text using this option. The next one is the align tool. You can align your shapes and text using this option as per your need. The next one is the object. You can expand, group, make clipping masks, and do other stuff using this option. The next one is the type. This is the extension of the type tool. You can create outline text, type on path, edit path of the text. The next one is the path, and you can edit the shapes using this option. You can cut the path and convert to corners, convert to curve, join path, and other stuff. You can do it using this option. The next one is the repeat option. You can create radial effect, grid effect, and mirror effect using this option. On the top, you can see the name of your project. The next thing is the zoom percentage. The next thing is the redo and undo option. There is another option. You can see an avatar with the plus icon. You can add more people to this project so they can edit it real time. And the next option is the publish and export option. You can quick export as PNG and start a live stream. If you tap on the publish and export, you will be given some formats in which you can export your artwork. The next one is the help option. You can browse tutorials, take a tour, view gestures and other stuff using this option. The next one is the settings. In the settings, you can see your project name, units you are using, and other information regarding your project, and you can change them by tapping on the app settings. You can change any of these settings. The next one is the view mode. We are currently in the preview mode, and you can switch to outlines and it will change the view of your workspace. We will use all these options in the toolbar and panels in my upcoming videos. I will explain one by one. So guys, make sure you stay tuned. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.